Hey makeup baddies, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I did this 10-minute mom glam, then just keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Hey baddies, let's jump right into it. So y'all know first things first, we have to conceal these bags, and I don't like wearing foundation, so I use concealer only as my base. And you know my favorite is the NYX Bear With Me concealer, and I am in the shade light tan. So I take one pump first, and I take a blending brush, and then we conceal the under eyes. Then we conceal the top lip and any blemishes that we have. We just dot over them like so. Just cover them up with some concealer. So then I take that concealer, you guys, and then I just blend it out real good. And this is my everyday like go-to makeup look. Wearing foundation every day is just like not for me. It might be some people's cup of tea, but it's not my cup of tea. Not on a daily basis anyway. If you watch my previous videos, then you guys would know that I have 4 children. My oldest is 17. My second is 5. My third is 4 years old. And then my baby, he just turned 11 months a couple days ago. So mother loves to be glam. I love to look cute. I love to look polished. And I don't have the time to do the whole foundation and everything. And plus foundation feels like a little like heavy for me. So I just do this quick hack with the concealer, and this Bear With Me concealer is literally like no more than $10. It honestly might be $11. I know I said in the last video I would check the price, but I'm gonna put the price down in the description box. But it's really, really cheap, you guys. And look how it just conceals like my under eyes, the shadow over my lip, and then my dark marks. It does a pretty good job, a real good job. It does a real good job, okay? All right, you guys, so after that is blended out, I take like a flat top brush. Honestly, like any like big like dense brush, I take that, and then I just go over the concealer some more to make sure it's like fully blended out. And blending your makeup really good is the key to like a flawless base. So I go under. And as you know, I don't like putting anything on my forehead because my skin, I have oily skin, and I don't like a lot of product on my forehead because the more product that I add, the shinier that I look, and it just looks terrible. So I don't really play around with my forehead, okay? Next, she's a little pricey, but I swear by this. I take my MAC pressed powder, and I just take this and I go in and then just put this all over my face. Simple, easy, and it gets the job done. Just all over my face, you guys, all over. All right, baddies, so after I apply my concealer, I apply my face powder, and then I apply my blush. But I use a powder blush most of the time, and this is just my everyday routine for when I just want to like get ready for the day and look polished. I usually use a different one, but today we're going to be trying out this Milani blush, and this is in the color Coral Cove, I believe. Coral Cove. So we're going to be trying out this Milani. I just took the wrapper from off of it. This is another affordable product. So this is actually like a first impression. So let's see how she works. Tap off the excess and let's pat. She's really cute. I just love blush down. Just brings the look together. Little on my nose. Oh, look at that. All right, so for my eyes, I take a small blending palette by Morphe, and it is called Radiant 5 eyeshadow palette, and it is just like one brown color in here that I overly love. She is right there. You see, I hit pan. It's a nice brown color, and it just like brings the look all together. When you dip it in these powders, you guys, just remember to tap the excess off so it don't like fall all over your cheeks and like all over your clothes. So I take a little bit of that and I just blend that all over my eyelid like so. I literally love this routine, you guys. Like, it's just like straight to the point. My face is all one shade with a pop of like pink from the blush. And I love that. Like, I love that for me. And I'ma definitely love that for you guys when you guys learn this easy routine. A lot of people say, like, I want my makeup done, but I just want to be one color. And it's just like, I feel you, sis. I feel you. All right, baddies, look at the skin. She is given. She is given. And we only a couple minutes in, and we are only like a few products in, okay? Now, today I'm going to be taking the Covergirl Stretch and Strengthen Mascara, and this is in the color Black. And I'm going to be applying that to my lashes. All right, you guys, the mascara is on. And it's looking really good. It's giving baby doll. Let's just take a gloss by e.l.f. and she looks like this. It is in the color Red Delicious. Now it looks red, you guys, but it don't really come out red on your lips. We are going to apply this, and it's really cute. It's not really red. It's like a tint of red maybe. But she's really cute, right? And voila, you guys, just like that, we are finished. And it only took us a couple minutes. Just like that, we are ready to handle the day, handle our business, handle our family, all right? If you like what you've seen today, then please, 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 you guys, like my video and then subscribe to my channel if you want to see more quick, easy, and wallet-friendly videos from me. All right, makeup baddies, till the next time, bye-bye.
Girls love Beyonce. Girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. It's chalky, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No, no friends, no, no, no. You know how this shit goes.